Hey, what's happening? Barnaby here with SKIL, here to get you up to speed on how to assemble your SKIL PWR Core 40 telescoping 10-inch bar pole saw, right? So coming out of the box, you should lay out all of your components like I'm doing right here to make sure that you have everything needed. Okay, so you're going to have the tool itself, you're going to have the bar, the chain, the cover, the chain guard, the battery, and a charger. Now let's get cracking on how to put the chain on the bar so you can get outside and do some work. Lay your chain out, right flat, because then you want to be able to see a couple of things. First of all, no kinks. We've got that covered right here. But two, you want to take a look at which direction the chain is going to be mounted onto the bar. So how are you going to know? Well, on the raised silver pieces, you're going to see an arrow pointing in a direction. Okay, so you're going to want that to go towards the tip of the bar. I'll show you real time how that all looks. Two, on the bar itself, you're going to see a little guide right here that's going to show you exactly how the chain should look when it's on the bar. But if you want just a really easy way to tell everybody that's going to be using this saw how it's supposed to look, on the chain you're going to see what appear to be shark fins. And that's a shark that you want swimming away from you on the saw and also in life, right? The shark should never be coming towards you, always swimming away toward the tip. So let's show you how this all goes together. This is the bar right here. You're going to just take the chain and drape it over. Now this bar has a guide in it, so the teeth are going to naturally fall in there. And here's a little tip for you. When you're putting it on, pinch it right here. So now this is all set, and what you're going to do is take this piece and put it over the sprocket. Just lay it in, it goes over the sprocket, and then you're going to take the housing, put it over, and it'll fit in snugly, and screw it clockwise. But don't screw it down all the way because you have yet to tension the chain. And that's where this little wheel comes in. You're going to see a plus and a minus. Roll it into the plus direction, and you're going to see that it's tightening the chain incrementally. How tight do you want the chain to be? Well, there's a quick guide for that. And that is simply that you want the chain to pop out of the channel and snap back. You don't want it to be immobile. You want it to be able to move. And then you tighten this down the rest of the way, and you are ready to go. So let's talk about one last step for you, the warranty. There's a little trick here I can impart to you. In the box, you're going to find just a little card like this. It says, register my SKIL. Okay, so what you want to do is within 30 days of purchase, register your SKIL pole saw. It's going to jump the warranty on the tool up to 5 years, so that's added value. So get outside, be safe, cut well, and always use SKIL. It's what powers you.